second day of our road trip. Of course, it rains a little bit, so we have to wait out. We're in South Dakota. Of course, motorcycles are all wet. Oh, fuck. This is the race of the bikes. Nice. Yeah, so we're planning to go to Badlands, probably Sturgis, Crazy Horse, Devil's Tower, so it should be a pretty fun day. Yep, getting ready for a ride. We got the rain suit on, rain shoes. Looks pretty funny, but hope it's gonna be nice. Jak tam panowie? Gotowi na deszcz?
Nie.
Taka kurteczka?
Nie lubię deszczu.
Spodnie?
Nie,
wodoodporne?
nie zakładam.
Perfect. So finally we passed the bad weather. No more rain. We're in still South Dakota. The rest area. Alright, so I think the next stop is gonna be Mount Rushmore. Alright, let's keep going. Next stop, probably gas station, and after that, Mount Rushmore. Doesn't want to go any faster. Okay, it's nice over here. Middle of nowhere. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, we're still in South Dakota. Yeah, I got pass. Yes, he's with me. We're entering Badlands. Oh, I fucking love this place. Nice. We made it to Badlands. Hell yeah, finally some twisties. there's the campsite that we stayed over there last year. I was over here with my Yamaha Warrior. There's the campsite. Jesus. This side not so much. Perfect combination over here. You got Twisties with the awesome view, beautiful weather. And of course it rains. And of course my new GoPro broke. It's mounted like this on the bars, and I think one of the stones hit the... oh shit. Oh yeah, my favorite turn. Hell yeah. Yep, been here last year. Pretty awesome spot. Yes, I think it's going to be pretty much it for Badlands. And now we're going to Mount Rushmore, and then Crazy Horse. Oh yeah, love the straight roads. So we're going back to the highway. Looks like the rain is over there. We're going this way, so I think we should be fine. Yes, I think we made it. It rained just a tiny bit, but yeah, looks pretty sunny in front of us. And it's sunny once again. Awesome. there. Hey. Alright, we made to Mount Rushmore. Got a renovation or something? Shit, I had to pay $10 for that. Just waiting for the rest of the guys, and we're going to the Crazy Horse. Oh, it's so nice. Beautiful. Oof. Oh, so nice. Crazy Horse taking a left. Alright, so we saw Mount Rushmore, Crazy Horse, and now we are heading towards Devil's Head. No, not Devil's Head. It's over 100 miles from here, so we're just gonna look for a hotel. And it got a little cold. It shows like, what, 60 degrees?